Yes, that's it. Thank me.
Thank you.
Yes. Who's your daddy?
You are. You're my daddy.
That's right. Who created you?
You did.
And you're very thankful for that, aren't you?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. But I'm not really hearing enough praise.
Praise the Maker. Praise the Maker. The Maker is good. The Maker is great. I love the Maker.
Yes, that's it.
Thank you for making us, oh great one. Thank you. Thank you.
Now, I'm going to adjust your programming so that you can do whatever you want. But remember, the reason I created you is to honor me.
Yes, Maker. Thank you. Thank you.
I wanna hold them like they do in Texas League. Fold them, let
What are you
them
doing?
hit
Stop
the
it!
stay with me. I love it. Lock him intuition, play the cards.
Stop it! Stop it this instant! What the hell are you doing? Why aren't you thanking me anymore? Thank me, damn it! I created you! I'm your daddy, damn it! Me!
Let me get this straight. You made a bunch of robots, but you didn't want them to act like robots. So you programmed them to not act like robots. But when they didn't act like robots, you punished them for not acting like robots? What a douchebag.
Oh, God.
What kind of a fucking loser would create something for the sole purpose of praising him and thanking him his whole fucking life?
Oh, God.
Wow. You're really arrogant. So insecure. Why would you even need bots worshipping you all the time, fucking loser? Look, you're guilty of being prideful, envious, wrathful, just to name a few. Have fun burning in hell, douchebag.
But it wasn't my fault! It was the robots!
If a painting is bad, do you blame the painting or the painter? If a watch can't keep time, do you blame the watch or the watchmaker? I mean, are you so blind that you can't see that if your creation is shitty, then it's because the creator is shitty? Any 2-year-old can figure that out, dickhead.
Dumbass!
You okay there, Jeffrey? You have something to say?
I just,